Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So for this question, it's under inequality. And this type of question is where we are given graph and then we have to change it to the inequality. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So first step is to find equations yang involved, equations of the line involved. Okay, so basically yang line ini is the pagar. That's the pagar lah. So as we can see, it's forming a triangle. So the pagar or the lines involved are the tiga lines. Okay, now if you read the question, it says that the equation of the line AC is y equal to, so ada sudah ia bagi 1. And then ia even bagi the inequalities itself. So artinya AC sudah done. So we don't have to find that one. So we are going to find the other one, which is AB. AB punya line apa. And then kita ni akan cari another one will be BC. Okay, so BC nya apa. Right, so finding a line of a straight line, basically equation of a straight line, you go back to basic, which is y equal to mx plus c. Macam mana kita ni cari m is by choosing two coordinates pakai untuk cari dalam formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then the c, you can just refer to the diagram given. C ni di mana ia crossing the y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to clear the diagram supaya tarang. So let's do for AB dulu. This one, AB. Right, again, the C, as we can see, it's there, which is 1. So C is 1, simple. And then the M, cari ia punya gradient. So I'm just going to select the point here, 0, 1. And then the point here is 4, 5. Or maybe we can go for something easy. 2, 3 boleh sini. Okay, 3, 4, mana saja. So I'm just going to go for those two that I choose. Okay, formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I have 4 over 4, which leads me to 1. So that means my AB is equal to y equal to mx plus c. So artinya y equal to 1x plus 1. Okay, so that's my AB formula. Right. I'm just going to put it here. Y is equal to x plus 1. And then let's do for BC. Okay, so for our BC here, well, it's a straight line, it's a vertical line. Obviously, there's no C in the crossing the y-axis. And then the M is going to be different. So, okay, special line, we had to belajar last time. Kita ni ada 4 straight line, types of straight line yang kita ni belajar generally speaking. Yang steep ataupun yang ada gradient, ia memang y equal to mx plus c. Tapi kalau sekiranya vertical, it should be x equals to a number. And then kalau sekiranya horizontal, it means that y equal to a number. So in this case, kita ni punya BC is a vertical line. So terus saja direct, as we can see, x equals to 4. So ani you have to memorize lah. Okay, so we got now BC is equal to x equals to 4. Now, lepas we got that too, I'm going to use the spacing. Ia bukannya mau equation, ia mau inequality. So we have to think about changing this into one of these 4 equations. Inequality sign. Okay, so we have to first choose which pair we're going to use. Yang ada equal kah? Yang ada equal. How are we going to know? Basically, baca soalan ada cakap, ada cakap inside. Defined by 3 inequalities. One of these inequalities is this one. The shaded inside ABC is defined by 3 inequalities. Okay, right. And then find the other 2 inequalities. So, artinya as we can see, it's a solid line. It's a solid line. Kalau dotted artinya yang buat macam ni, itu artinya no equal. Tapi kalau solid line, yang straight line solid, artinya kita ni ada equal di bawahnya, which means kita akan pilihan. Okay, so we are going to choose we're going to choose this one, not this one. Okay, so we are clear on that. We are going to change the law. Now we have this one. As catat balik, AB is equal to y equal to x plus 1. Lihat balik arah line yellow. think about more than or less than. So this is our pagar right now. Just focus on the yellow line. More than ke atas of the pagar, less than is below the pagar. So kita ni mau shadingnya di bawah the pagar, which means it's less than. So wherever our y is, the equation follow through. Y is less than. Macam tu. Just check it terus sekejap. Okay, so that will be our first inequality. And then the next one is yang warna biru. So focus on warna biru. This is our right and this is our left, meaning automatically any more than, and then automatically this is less than. So yang kita ni mau is less than, pasal ya yang shaded is that part yang sebelah kirinya, which is less than. So terus saja kita ni tukar x is less than or equal to 4. Kalau ada y, kita ni ikut di mana x. Kan tadi Nyo Zah, kalau ada y sama x, we follow where y is less than equal to. Tapi kalau sekiranya in this case yang ada y kan, so the next on the subject will be x lah. Okay, x less than or equal to 4. So that should be our answer. Okay, so just to finalize our answer, it's x less than or equal to 4, y less than or equal to x plus 1. Alright, so I hope that's clear enough for you. Thank